It's Vlogmas Day 2. Beach day with the bay. Oh god, oh god. It is the second day of Vlogmas already. Today we're going simple. We're just having a simple little beach day because I want to. And I'm on Maui, so why wouldn't I have a simple little beach day? We are at the mall currently because I want to get a disposable camera and a book for my beach day. So that's what we're going to do. I got the camera. I walked in and it was on the wall right there, so I didn't really have to record. But it's here. Now we're at the mall to find a book to read on the beach because I'm a classy woman. And also I don't want to bring my Kindle because I don't want to scratch it. Time to pick out some books. Okay, I got 2 books. The Accidental Virgin. I think that's gonna be a fun one. And then Mr. Maybe, okay? I don't know, I need something fun. Something that'll keep my attention. This feels like it'll keep my attention, I'll tell you that much. So now I have my books and my camera, very ready for the beach. But now I really want spam musubi. So we're going to go to Minute Stop, which has my favorite spam musubis ever. Oh my god, gentlemen, thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna get my spam musubi and then we're going to go beach. Vlogmas. Minute Stop. Also the views today. It's just a nice day. Oh my god, Mel, it's such a beautiful, beautiful day. And I got my spam musubi. Okay, haul time. Why? Because I'm annoying. Are you okay? Oh my god. You okay? Anyways, teri spam musubi. I'm going to eat this on the beach because hello, you would do it too. Waterproof Fujifilm disposable camera. Looks like a little Pop-Tart. Also, this is my 3rd year of doing Vlogmas. This is just like a little side note. I'm telling you this now. I want this to be a more lighthearted, fun, casual Vlogmas because I stress myself out by being like, okay, day 1 we're making cookies, day 2 we're decorating, day 3 we're wrapping gifts. Like, it's a bit much. The only criteria are vlogs. You know what I mean? Like, so this is what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be doing vlogs. Look, hey, just figured this out today, okay? And then the 2 books, like I said, the Accidental Virgin. This looks like Reba almost, and that's kind of why I wanted it. And then Mr. Maybe, I have to be honest with you, they were pink, and that's why I got them. Super excited to read one of those on the beach today. Already pumping caffeine through my system, okay? Yeah, so I guess we will go to the beach now. This is just a casual, fun-loving day. It's Vlogmas Day 2. We're not going to stress ourselves out already. Maybe day 3 or maybe day 4, but not day 2. We're just here to have fun. We're just here to have a good time. Let's go to the beach. Beach, each, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink, clink, down the Bud Light bet, like me. Hard to come by, but you know, let's go get it on. Yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? I'm done. We made it to the beach. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just excited to be out in the wilderness and whatever. Beach day with the bay. His and hers matching slippers. Jeremy kills it with it. Man. Maui, I love you forever and always. So pretty, so perfect. Just walking on the sand. The little boat out there, so cute. Oh my god, so perfect. Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good though. Got the whole setup, disposable camera, sunscreen. Teri's musubi. The accidental virgin. Those are just the vibes today. Wow, it feels so good to be back. I realize you probably don't want to watch me sit here and eat. I'll show you the view, of course. Even though it's so good. Cameraman Jeremy does it again. I'm scared of the ocean. Everything looks like a shark to me. Oh god, oh god. Okay, turn it. We're done here. It's still so pretty though, but we want to go now. We're tired, you know. It's just the start of Vlogmas, so I don't want to wear myself out. Not yet. I will, don't you worry, but not yet. I love Maui. Love Maui. Bye beach. See you soon. Pantalon smell like feces. Okay, so I'm at TJ Maxx, so I'm just gonna end the vlog off here. I know this is a very short vlog, but the other one should be longer, but also don't hold me to that because you hate women if you do that, you know what I mean? So let's just not. Anyways, okay, thanks for coming with me to my beach day. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas day 2. I'll see you for day 3.